What's up everyone? Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like this. Now if you've been living under the rock, you might not have seen this. This is a Sen Racing F450. Normally comes brushed. I did convert it to a brushless setup, and then I thought, you know what, that's not cool enough. I want to put one of these cool FS L200 4-stroke 2 cylinders in it. Now I've done a build series on this. It should be about 4 or 5 videos, not too sure exactly. Now if it's your first time seeing this, it's basically a 4-stroke engine, 2 cylinders, hooked up to a Revo, or Traxxas Revo 3.3 transmission, which has 2 speeds forward and reverse. It has a brake. It's got all that stuff that you need to get it going to where it is now. It runs really well, and I'm very happy with how this has kind of been set out. It's laid out really well. Everything works as expected. These stacks are massive. A lot of guys say, why they're so big. They come like this from Sterling Kit, I believe it is, and the links are down below for all that info. But I thought, you know what, I want to try something different. Later on I might try put a tow hitch on it and see if I can pull this massive trailer. But I thought, you know what, let's see if it actually drifts something different. And all I did was a classic ghetto style duct tape on there. That's it. And as you can see, it does work. It does drift. You know, it's not really meant for that, but to put out some fun content and not to be serious all the time, let's just see how it runs and how it drifts on these duct taped dually wheels. Alright, let's try it out on this deck. It's still really quick. I wouldn't say controlled drifting, that's for sure. That was a good burnout though. Interesting. I think it's out of fuel. I think it's out of fuel now. I know I'm a stupid big kid, but this is fun, and a lot of you guys like it, so I'm just trying to see what we can do with it. I haven't seen it on the internet before, so hey, it's the first F450 I've seen with a 4-stroke in it. First F450 I've seen trying to drift a dually. Maybe that's for a reason, but let's have a look. Yep, fuel is sucked to the bone. There's oil, so it's, you know, it's doing its job, as you can see. Everything's running hot as shit, as you'd expect with these type of cars, but especially here, it's what, 36 degrees Celsius today in Sydney, Australia, so it's pretty damn hot. But everything is looking good. Happy days. What do you guys want to see with me do this next with this car? What do you reckon? I wouldn't mind trying to hook a hitch here so I can put that trailer on, obviously take off this duct tape. This is just for fun, something to do, but you know, get some more content out. You guys love it, I love it. It's part of the hobby, it's part of having fun, and one of my mottos is don't take life too seriously, you know. So, we're all good. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up, and yeah, oh, what are we saying here? Signal loss. I had some people asking what this is. This is the new Noble NB4. It's pretty sick. Really nice controller, all electronic, gives you all those fancy warnings like you just heard there. But I really like it. I'll leave the link for all this stuff if you want to go check it out. Thanks guys, Steve here again, and have a good day.